Hey everyone, and welcome back! Today, we're tackling a dream many think is impossible, traveling for free. And no, I'm not just talking about backpacking and living on ramen noodles unless that's your thing. I mean free flights, luxury hotels, and incredible experiences, all paid for by a system called travel hacking. If you're in the US, you have a golden ticket. Banks are literally throwing thousands of dollars worth of points at you to get your business. And if you play your cards right, you can use those points to explore the world without breaking the bank. This isn't just theory. I've used these exact strategies to save thousands. In this guide, we'll break down the what, the how, and the crucial rules to do it responsibly. Get ready to turn your everyday spending into your next free vacation. Let's dive in. First, let's demystify this. Travel hacking is simply the art of earning large amounts of travel rewards, points, or miles through strategic use of credit cards and then redeeming them for free or heavily discounted travel. It's not magic, it's a system. The US credit card market is incredibly competitive. Banks want your business, and they are willing to pay for it with generous welcome bonuses. This is the core of our strategy. They often require you to spend a certain amount, say $4,000, within the first few months to earn 50,000 to 100,000 points. US banks also offer cards with transferable points, which you can send to multiple airline and hotel partners. This flexibility is key. Let's look at the math. Say you earn a 60,000 point welcome bonus. Those points could be transferred to United Airlines for a round-trip flight to Europe, or to Hyatt hotels for 2 to 3 free nights at a luxury resort. The cash value can easily be $900 to $1,500, or even more depending on how smartly you redeem them. All for spending you would have done anyway. But here's the golden rule. Never carry a balance. This entire strategy only works for people who pay their credit card balance in full every single month. If you pay even $1 in interest, you've lost the game. Okay, now for the blueprint. This is how you systematically earn thousands of points. Step 1. Define your travel goal. Where do you want to go? Europe? Hawaii? Knowing your destination helps you identify the right airlines and hotel chains, which then guides your card choice. Step 2. Choose your first travel hacking card. For beginners, start with a card that earns transferable points. Think Chase Ultimate Rewards, Amex Membership Rewards, or Capital One Miles. A fantastic starter card is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. It has a great welcome bonus and amazing transfer partners like United and Hyatt. You'll generally need a good credit score, around 680 or higher. Also, be aware of bank rules like Chase's 5/24 rule, which is why starting with a Chase card is often a smart move. Step 3. Strategically meet the minimum spending requirement. This is the most critical part. Do not overspend. Plan how you'll meet the requirement, like $4,000 in 3 months, using your normal budgeted expenses, groceries, utilities, rent if possible, insurance, dining out. If you have a large planned expense, time it with your new card. Track your spending, and again, pay your bill in full. Step 4. Maximize everyday earning. Once you've secured the welcome bonus, use your card for its best earning categories, like 3x points on dining or travel. And always check your card's shopping portal before buying things online. You can earn extra points per dollar just by clicking through their links. You've earned the points. Now how do you turn them into actual free travel? The absolute best value for your points almost always comes from transferring them to an airline or hotel loyalty program. For example, 60,000 Chase points could be worth $750 if redeemed directly through their portal. But that same 60,000 points could be worth $1,500 or more if transferred to Hyatt for a luxury hotel stay. To find deals, go directly to the airline or hotel partner's website. Log into their free loyalty program and search for Award Travel or Use Miles. The key is flexibility. The best availability is often during off-peak dates. Also, look for sweet spots, routes, or hotel categories that offer disproportionately good value. Transferring Chase points to Hyatt is a classic travel hacker move for this reason. A crucial tip: only transfer points asterisk after asterisk you have found the specific flight or hotel you want and are ready to book. Transfers are one way and can't be reversed. Travel hacking is incredibly rewarding, but it must be done responsibly. Ignoring these rules will put you in a worse financial position, not a better one. Rule number 1. Always pay your balance in full, every month. This is non-negotiable. If you pay interest, you are losing money. Rule 2. Never spend money you do and have or wouldn't normally spend just to get points. Stick to your budget. Rule 3. Keep your credit score healthy. Opening new cards can cause a small, temporary dip in your score. But if you manage them correctly with on-time payments and low balances, your score will recover and can even improve long-term. Just be sure to space out your applications. Rule 4. Understand annual fees. Many premium cards have them. Make sure the value you get from points and perks outweighs the fee. If it doesn't, consider downgrading to a no-fee card after the first year. And finally, Rule 5. Stay organized. A simple spreadsheet to track your cards, spending goals, and fee due dates works wonders. So there you have it. Travel hacking is one of the most powerful ways to get more out of your money and experience the world. Remember, discipline plus strategy equals free travel. Now I want to hear from you. What is your dream destination you want to travel to for free using rewards? Let me know in the comments below. If this guide inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable financial strategies. Your next adventure is waiting.